Prime Minister Narendra Modi has reiterated his Shehzada jibe at Congress's Rahul Gandhi. Addressing a public gathering in Maharashtra's Nanded, PM Modi said that Congress's Shehzada is now also worried about Wayanad. The Prime Minister added that Rahul Gandhi will be made to run away from Wayanad just as he was chased out of Amethi, where Smriti Irani defeated him. The comments, remember, come in the backdrop of Rahul Gandhi facing a tough fight from left's Annie Raja in Congress's supposed bastion of Wayanad.
कांग्रेस के जो शाहजादे हैं उन्हें भी वायनाड में संकट दिख रहा है। शाहजादे और उनकी टोली 26 अप्रैल को वायनाड में वोटिंग का इंतजार कर रही है। जैसे ही 26 को वायनाड में वोटिंग पूरा हो जाएगा, ये शाहजादे के लिए एक और सुरक्षित सीट घोषित कर देंगे और कहीं और से फिर से लड़ाना पड़ेगा उनको। जैसे इन्होंने अमेठी से भागना पड़ा, अमेठी छोड़ा, अब मान के चलिए वो वायनाड भी छोड़ेंगे।
All right, my colleague Shweta is joining us on the phone line with more on this. Shweta, the Prime Minister once again reiterating his Shehzada remark against Rahul Gandhi yesterday as well. While campaigning, he had made that remark on Rahul Gandhi as well as Akhilesh Yadav. Get us all the political war of words that's been happening between the BJP and the Congress ahead of phase 2 of the Lok Sabha elections.
That's right. In fact, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has reiterated his Shehzada jibe at Congress. And now talking about Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, he very categorically, in fact, while addressing a public rally in Nanded where PM Modi is, he said that Congress's Shehzada is now worried about Wayanad. Now this comes into the backdrop where we have seen in Amethi, Smriti Irani won with a larger margin, and he has stated that it was Amethi first and now it will be Wayanad. From both the places he has to leave. Now very importantly, these comments are coming into the backdrop of Gandhi facing a very tough fight from left Annie Raja in Congress. Now this is to be supposed bastion of Annie Raja. Now remember, in this entire case we are seeing a spur war of words from BJP as well as from Congress. It will be important to see if any sort of strong remarks do come from MVO and Shiv Sena Unity and Maharashtra Congress.
Right, Shweta, you keep a track of that and we'll keep coming back to you for the latest on this. Thank you very much for joining us at the moment. Let's now quickly shift our focus